Welcome to our exploration of organizational structure design. We'll delve into key principles that ensure structures are efficient, effective, and adaptable, setting the stage for successful organizational growth and development. One crucial principle is the unity of command, where each employee has a single direct supervisor. This approach helps prevent confusion and conflicting directives, fostering a clear and efficient workflow. Another important aspect is the span of control, which refers to the number of employees reporting to one manager. A manageable span ensures effective supervision and maintains organizational efficiency. Balancing authority and responsibility is essential in organizational design. Ensuring that authority matches responsibility helps maintain accountability and empowers employees to perform their roles effectively. Flexibility is vital for adapting to environmental or market changes. A well-designed organizational structure considers these principles, supporting the organization's needs and facilitating growth. Thank you for joining us in this insightful discussion.